Are you facing the zero view problem on TikTok? Well, no need to worry anymore because I'll be explaining all you need to know in this video. So in this video, I will be showing you 5 reasons why your videos are at 0 views and solutions to fix it. Number 1. Posting too frequently when making a brand new account. When you create a new account, TikTok doesn't know who you are, so they look at you as a bot. So my tip would be, when you create a new account, you need to engage with it for the first 24 hours, with accounts in your niche. What I mean by this is commenting, liking, sharing, saving videos, and sometimes even reposting them. And once 24 hours has passed, try following people. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, go to my channel and go to my first video called How to Warm Up a TikTok Account. And if you are struggling with TikTok, make sure to join my free Discord in bio for some insane value and help. The second reason is because your video is simply under review. This may be because your account may have some community guidelines, strikes in the past, so they hold the video under review. For example, if you owned TikTok, would you automatically allow a creator who has posted terrible things in the past to consistently get 200 views straight away without you reviewing it? Yeah, probably not. The third reason is duplicated content. This is probably the most common reason for new creators, and this is the ineligible for the For You page. Now, what this means is that TikTok has already seen this video on the platform, which means that the content is unoriginal. Another thing not to do is delete one of your videos and re-upload it, because TikTok will mark it as ineligible again because they have already seen that video on the platform. Now, the fourth reason is restricted topics and keywords. So this is if you mention something inappropriate or illegal, which is a no-no for TikTok. And the fifth last reason is shadow ban devices. This one is probably the most common. A shadow ban is where TikTok will keep your videos at 0 because if you have created multiple accounts in the past and maybe one has gotten banned, your device is now shadow banned. TikTok understands what Wi-Fi you have, what your location is with your SIM card, and many other things, so they understand what your device is. So the way to fix this is better of buying a new cheap phone, which has a SIM card and can get TikTok. And from there, just do everything as normal and don't get any strikes. If you are struggling with TikTok and need free help and value, join my free Discord in my bio or comment the word Discord.